Here I'm just showing you how I make a sole of this foot mold. First I'm going to make a pattern of the foot of the mold, and I'm going to roll out a piece of clay in a setting 1. As I like to have a pattern on the sole, I'm taking one of my stencils and squeezing it hard into the clay. Then I'm putting my little pattern on the clay and I'm going to cut it out. After I cut it out, I'm going to make some small indents on the side that fits to the pattern of the mold. And then I'm just going to bake it and make my mold of this. So I have a mold for future soles when I'm making shoes. This makes it a lot easier to make the shoes. So that's all there is to it. Happy crafting!